I stay up too late, too much work on my plate, too many data sets, how to analyze, spreadsheets everywhere, so disorganized, how to work like that, feeling very stressed, and I keep scrolling up and down on Excel, searching for an answer. I can't tell if I'm doing everything alright. At first I tried to sum, but the answer is wrong. Maybe I should merge. VLOOKUP. Now when I try to sum, the answer is right. I'm so glad I merge. VLOOKUP. It's all in one spreadsheet. It's very nice to see. Filter data neatly. The work is very sweet. I can do my pivot tables. Slice the data up. Data analytics. And I keep scrolling up and down on Excel, searching for an answer. I can't tell if I'm doing everything alright. At first I tried to sum, but the answer is wrong. Maybe I should merge. VLOOKUP. Now when I try to sum, the answer is right. I'm so glad I merge. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP.